Well, hey there, everybody. This is Mike the Old Pastor. I say Mike the Old Pastor because there's a guy on YouTube called Somebody the Old Plumber, and I watched his videos, and he's a good guy, so this is a tribute to him. Anyway, here's the deal. This is our furnace at our church, and we have air conditioning, and all of a sudden we had water dripping into one of the offices downstairs. And so I called up my great buddy, Dan, the most awesome HVAC guy in the whole world. And he said the most likely culprit was a clogged condensate line. And so that's what I started with first. So I said, how do I fix this? And he said, well, first thing you do is get a cutter. And then you need to take off the condensate line. And so as you can see, I took off the condensate line at two convenient spots. And so I took that off. And then I poured it into this jug and see all the crud that was clogging the condensate line. And then water started to pour like crazy out of this. And so what I did is, you can use a dustpan. I would recommend that because a dustpan will do better. But I took this piece of plastic and I used it to divert the water into the buckets so that water didn't go all down inside the furnace. So quite a bit of water. So now what I'm going to do, and this is where I give tribute to Dan, the awesome HVAC guy, and then to the video he sent me from the old plumber about this device called a SharkBite. So I'm going to pause the video right now, and then I'm going to open the packages. I bought two, and then I'll show you exactly what it is. Alright, this is a 3/4 inch SharkBite. And you can see exactly what it does. It's going to be a connector here. It has a little plastic piece inside, and so there's debate as to whether you can use whether you need it or not. And so basically, some videos take it off, some videos leave it on. I'm going to leave it on, and you fit it on like this, and then it has an O-ring inside that will grab on. So I'm yanking on this now. It's quite hard. Now I'm going to turn this off again, and I wish this thing had a pause, but it doesn't. And so I'm going to turn this off, and then I'm going to connect everything. Alright, everything is now connected, and you can see how, because of the way I did the cuts, I didn't have to do anything special. The most important thing here is, notice there's a coupling. I cut the pipe in the middle because you have to make sure that you have enough room for the SharkBite to fit on. Now you can actually use the SharkBite if you have a water line. Comes in 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, comes in for different types of material. But the most important thing is, look how fast and easy that is. And so you can even buy a SharkBite ball valve if you watch the videos. Anyway, that's all for right now. Thanks.